Tesla recently introduced a Dashcam viewer built into the operating system, and I was able to figure out a way to make it play my own videos. So as you can see, this is a custom video that I sideloaded. You can jump back and forth, but I set it as the front video. And this was my last ski trip, which I did not have too good of a time, but makes for a good video. So let me show you how I did that.
So basically what I did was plug the SSD into my computer, open it up, go inside the saves clip folder, and I deleted all the other folders for this example. Inside there, I deleted all but one incident so I can just test it. What you do next is take your MP4 file. It must be the same format, MP4, if you want it to be compatible. I just took the front camera view, took the file name, deleted the original, replaced it, closed it, ejected the drive, plugged it into my car, and it was good to go. Easy as that.